Hi, I'm Annapurna, curator, gallerist, and co-founder of Hyde Art. So, see, when you talk about art in Hyderabad, we don't have our own art festival as Delhi has it or Mumbai has it. So, we wanted to create a platform which is more meaningful, and also it becomes a bigger platform for Hyderabadis to voice through art. So, here it is layered in such a way that we have masters by galleries from Delhi, Dhumimal, Sanchit and Thapar. We do have serigraphs represented by Archer from Ahmedabad, and we have Mithila art from Madhubari. We have a section dedicated to Hyderabadi artists. We have a section for Pichwai artists, which is a private collection by Geru Objects. We have dedicated a space for local masters. Kirtanam is the tagline for that. It's layered in such a way that you have from masters to the most upcoming artists. So we have a group of artists who are from across India, from 12 states. Where the group is known Unknown, which has displayed multidisciplinary art. So we are calling it as the biggest show of Hyderabad. So to create that impact, and when when the size becomes bigger and the voice becomes bigger, it's the challenges are also bigger. There are multiple things. We wanted to find an apt space for it. So when we reached out to a lot of real estate people, and I wanted to do it in a space which is also speaks what is Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is known for its infrastructure and the IT buildings. So when we reached out to Naveen ji, who heads Navanami, we reached out to him and he showed us this property and we loved it, and he was humble enough and he's been supportive, and he's given us the 60,000 SFT space in mid of the city in financial district. And the challenges have been bigger, but we did get a lot of support from a lot of people. Like Naveen ji has been the biggest support so far to pull this off. There are a lot of workshops which we did. We conducted workshops. We did a lot of live painting demos, and we did have panel discussions. Of course, we have a spread of artworks, as we mentioned, from masters to the upcoming. For everyone, from a kid to the connoisseur, everyone can take away something from once they walk into Hyderabad Art Festival. See, the more why is this important to have something like this? See, the more galleries are involved in this, the more artists are involved in this. Why is it important to have something like this? Is you're making it as more localized, more approachable, and people who would come to such spaces, they'll see a variety of artworks, the variety of artists. And for the artist, it also, it's encouraging for them to see such a crowd who would come as a visitor and also become their potential buyers. And also when you exchange ideas, it becomes a platform to exchange ideas for younger artists. They can meet the senior artists here. Makes a cultural hub for the, city. And the more it goes bigger, it also, would be a space where it invites more people to come, and it in turn becomes an art destination for the city.